23rd August 2023, we decide to motor, and this is an interesting thing. There is a sort of a ferry there for the river. I see car getting it. Yeah, this is definitely a ferry. I don't know where the ferry goes. Probably
Just that. I think it's a chain ferry.
oh yeah, and then they go on the other side of the road.
It's like an expensive bridge.
Yeah. Wow. Rather than building a bridge, they prefer to do a ferry. Probably it's cheaper that way.
Yeah. Maybe.
And ecologically speaking, less impactful. I mean, yeah, having a bridge. I mean, if you do a nice
I
bridge.
guess it's got. It'd have to be a high bridge because of all the marinas, wouldn't it?
Exactly.
It looks better.
Yeah. I mean, they could color that green or more hide in the nature.
Some trees on it.
Yeah. Wind is constantly shifting. Little wind we have. This is kind of cool. We are crossing the path here.
I think
And
they're
then
about
there's
to
a bend.
leave. I reckon they'll be leaving as soon as we're going in front of them.
Exactly. I don't know who is going to be the stand-on vessel in the case,
Depends on the local regulations.
which we didn't read it.
Because we don't have a chart.
At the moment, no one is giving fine blast, flash or blast to us, so I think we're good. I think we're good. All sorts of things happening here. It's a very busy at this time of the year because of ferry and day charter, I think.
Centre access is going to be
Yeah,
all the way.
yes, center. Oh, now oh, I can stop the video and manage the main. So help us a little bit. Ferry coming towards us. People kayaking. Bus have everything in there.
Big ferry, isn't
Yeah, let's not crash in the little ferry. I would go on starboard. A little bit.
Oh, that ferry, yeah, I wasn't paying attention.
Yeah.
Oh, I think this ferry goes on to the continent.
Yeah. Okay, they're putting the fender out.
Ah, so that's why these guys are moored on the inside.
Yeah. But they're putting the fender on port. They may turn and go on port.
Turn to come into the tide.
Yeah. No one say really nice to us. Yeah, they did. Nice. This guy is cruising the river with his kayak and the holy stand and everything. That's very cool too. Alright. I'm gonna do another log later.